Welcome back, guys. I've just finished implementing all the events for the Enterprise Edition. I will be testing them in this video so you can see what types of events are created. They're divided by groups, for example, users, members, roles, groups, subscriptions, accounts, linked accounts, API keys, emails, and rows. You can see how many files have changed on the enterprise. This is because events are throughout the whole application. So I'm gonna go through each one of these because, for example, user profile deleted can be deleted on admin profile or admin users or the profile of the user within an account. So I'm gonna speed through this and see how many of these are successful on the first try and fix the ones that got an error. So up to this point, all the events have been successful. Now let's try roles. Roles is completed as well. Now let's try groups. Okay, groups as well, created, updated, deleted. For example, updated, it says group was updated by Alex with these members. Now, subscriptions. Okay, so we subscribed, then we upgraded, then we downgraded, and then we canceled. So let's verify that the events are correct. Subscribed, downgraded, upgraded, canceled. Yeah. So subscription is completed. Now accounts. We've already tested this because we created and deleted some. So now let's update one. Yeah, so account updated event is working as well. So now let's try to link an account. Okay, so link account invitation created, accepted, and then deleted. Now let's try to create some API keys. Okay, API created, updated, and then deleted. This is done, and now let's create an email. Let's send an email. For this, we need SaasRock to listen to postmark webhook. Okay, so it seems that we got a bad request. Let me inspect why and try again. After a few tests, I was able to conclude that the error was that I was setting this ID instead of the tenant ID. So when creating the event, it got an invalid tenant ID. But this is fixed now, so we should have 3 emails here and 3 events, one event here, email received. So this is done as well. Now, for the fun part, let's test all these methods with 1 or 2 or 3 rows. Okay, so row created, updated, and deleted are working. Let's see the updated. I just updated the name, the first name. Here's the change. So it's working, this tree. Now let's share this row. Let's share it to admin only. Yep, this row set to share to role admin. So this is working as well. Now let's play with the tags. Okay, row tags created and then deleted. The tag was named tag 1. So this is working as well. Now let's create, then update, then delete the task. Created, updated, and deleted. Let's see the updated data. Completed at this hour. And before it was null. So this is working. Now let's create a comment, delete one, and react to another comment. Okay, comment created, comment reacted, and comment deleted. But we got an error on the reacted by request. Let me see why, and I'll get back to this. Okay, I fixed it. The problem was on the reacted webhook. So I was using invalid data here. Let's try again to react to a comment. And now it's working. So finally, the whole reason of this engine is a transition. Let's see if it works on the first try. Yep. So there you have it. These are like 40 or 45 events that you will get on the enterprise edition of SaasRock. I hope you liked it. And if you want to learn how to make your own events, watch the previous video that I posted yesterday. Thank you.